The intake gasket creates a seal between the carburetor and the isolator. This gasket usually only needs to be replaced when it is removed as part of another engine repair. If the gasket is torn when it's removed, it must be replaced. A leak in the intake gasket will allow extra air into the cylinder. This will cause the engine to run lean, which will lead to scarring on the piston and cylinder, and eventually a seized engine. Replacing the intake gasket is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
Before you make any repairs to your small engine's fuel system, be sure that you drain the fuel from the fuel tank. I'll begin by removing the air filter cover. Next, I'll remove the air filter and the air filter base. With the base removed, the carburetor will come free, and I can remove the intake gasket. Now I can install the new intake gasket. I'll reinstall the air filter base by threading the screws through the carburetor. Now I'll place the gasket over the screws and reinstall this assembly back to the isolator. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the air filter and the air filter cover. And that's how you can replace your small engine's intake gasket. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.